Welcome back to the show, everybody. A couple months back, I rebuilt this TRX 125 engine using Dr. ATV's 130cc higher compression prototype piston I've been testing out for him. And I threw the motor in this 1974 XL100 frame. And now it's the 125 Honda FatCat. This week, we're going to test out this engine, see how it does out in the trails and up in the mountains. Yep, we'll see if this is going to be my little mountain goat. I think it's going to be a great video, so stick around. This is going to be a fun video. Quit bugging me, I'm recording. Okay, let's see how she's going to run. Oh, it sounds so lovely. So lovely. All right, let's go catch up with the guys. Give you a little better view here. How about right over there? See the scenery? Yep, good enough. Don't forget, I got a little bit of a vibrating fender up there. It goes pretty solid. It goes pretty darn good. Are you sure those tires qualify for single track? Might be a little bit fat for this trail here. Yeah, the Coyote's a thing of beauty, but for this type of stuff, I don't know. I think this little XL100 frame is the way to go. It feels like riding a mountain bike. Make sure I'm in first gear. All right. I don't know, folks. The Coyote is beautiful and above 20 mile an hour. It's superior, but this, I still think this is the Trail King, the XL100 with the TRX 125 engine. Although that is nice and darling. Come on, Vanna. Yeah, this is catastrophically deep rut. Should have had the first gear, but here. Let's just walk it down like this. Holy cow, that is a deep, deep, deep rut. Huh, that's something special right there. Oh, okay, we're done. Shortcut. That's something special right there. Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? Left me a present there in the trail. Well, that big sprocket on the back not only helps climbing, it definitely helps going down as well. Come on. There we go. There we go. You're on the road, guys. You're on the road, though. It's okay. It's okay. Just get off the road a little bit. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Come on, North Mexico! Woo! All right, you want to run them? I'll run them. You got a camera on? Got the old GoPro on? Hey, you got a little poop on the front of your bike. We'll go on go. So 3, 2, 1, and go on go. 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you, Dr. ATV. We just whip, the Type 2 200cc. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, folks, what do you think? Do you think Dr. ATV's 130cc piston and this TRX and ATC 125 engine is a winner? I think so. And it is just a beautiful bike now with the old XL125 Honda Matic. Thing feels like you're riding a mountain bike. Man, it's got spunk now. FatCat, probably the Cadillac of the trails. Just a gorgeous ride. But this thing's a little spicy.
Until you get into the narrow stuff.
Until you get into the narrow stuff and it starts doing FatCat things. But yeah, we had a blast. I'm glad you guys were able to join us on the trip. But yeah, we got more stuff like this in the near future. So if you need more Bigfoot Bikes and Brews content, click on this video here, or I think you're really gonna like this video.
Want some cow poo too?
See you next time. You don't think those elk hunters are still out here, are they?
Hopefully.